Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be showing you my daily goodie box. So this box is completely free. It has a bunch of samples in it. I'm not too sure how many they put in all the time. I think it varies from month to month. The link to this daily goodie box will be in my description box. It's not a referral link, so I don't get anything for referring you, but if you want to try to get one for yourself, you can go ahead and use my link and fill out, I think you fill out some sort of survey or something, and if you get lucky, they'll send you one. So let's go ahead and check out what I received. Ooh, this is tea. So this is, it looks like it says Fiesta tea, and is Maui Mango, Mango Pineapple Herbal Tea. This is for immunity support. Very nice. Just looking, this just says a premium loose leaf tea experience. Sounds like it's good. I love mango. Second item I received is these Zolli ball Popz. This is good for you candy. This is all sugar-free, gluten-free, nut-free, vegan, non-GMO, with natural flavors and colors. This was made by a kid. I believe it was a teenager, wanted some type of candy that was actually good for you. I don't know really how good it is for you, but it has all the bad stuff out. It even says on here, which I didn't notice before, it says classroom approved. So that's interesting. So let's see, 25 calories. This is really, it's really good stuff. We get the Zolli Pop things a lot in the daily goodie box, and I love these. So that's good. Then I got these two hydration mix blackberry lemonade. So one is, it's like the powder stuff you put in your water. I got one which was the blackberry lemonade, like I said, and then another one which is lemon lime. So these are for recovery and hydration. So very nice, by the company named Zest. And this one is energy and hydration. So they are both different. Interesting. This one contains caffeine even. This was 250 milligrams of caffeine. This is the blackberry lemonade. I might use this one when I go to work. Sounds good to me. All right. Next thing I received in this daily goodie box is, and by the way, all these products will be in my description box. The link to all these products will be in there. So if you're interested in any of these products, that's where you will find them. This is a hydrating face oil. Ooh, I like when we get things like this. This is right up my alley. Let's see. Let's see if it has any sort of a scent or anything. So I just put it there. Maybe a little scent, not much. Very nice and moisturizing. I like this. It says it softens, soothes, and restores. So that's nice. No licky. My dog's down here licking my hand. What is this? Coconut noodles. Low carb alternative to rice noodles and pasta. Have you guys tried this ever? I've never even heard of coconut noodles. Let's see, it's by Pure Traditions. You know, I'm not a cooker. Just ask my kids, they know. Let's see, I wouldn't even know what to do with these. These delicious noodles are made from 100% non-GMO coconut water. They have a mild taste and a texture similar to glass noodles. Not sure what glass noodle is. They're perfectly suited for Asian or use in any traditional pasta dish. Ready to eat, no rinsing or draining necessary. I don't know. Maybe I'll give these a try, sure. We can give these a try. Want to give these a try, Zach, for dinner tonight? He's not answering me. He's ignoring me. Okay. He said no. He said no. Okay. He doesn't want to give them a try. Then we've got these 12 birthday candles by Goodie. We received these before in the Daily Goodie box. Because I remember, I still have a couple of them left that I didn't burn yet. So it says it's planting trees and tropical reforestation projects is just one of the things we do to contribute to a better tomorrow. It's right here. Very nice birthday candles, always handy. Huh, what is this? By Jada Spices. This is chicken salt, all-purpose seasoning. It's vegan, and it's got a barbecue. This one is interesting. No MSG. I'm trying to read this. I don't have my contacts in, so I should be able to read all this, but it's kind of hard to see. It's gluten-free, soy-free. It looks like it says there's no peanuts in it. And I'm trying to read this the biggest word here. I saw all the other ones. I can't read what the biggest one says. But yeah, I'm definitely going to try this in something. That sounds good. We all eat chicken. All right. This says takes a village. Dried mango, orange blossom, apricot. What is this? Is this more tea? Oh, it's a coffee. This says coffee simplified. Freshly ground. What does this say? I'm having a problem reading this. Maybe because it's kind of dark in my house. But it says, I think it says nitro sealed coffee simplified. Pour, dunk, and steep. So interesting. I love coffee. This sounds really good. I'm gonna definitely try that. I'm a big coffee drinker. Okay, and then a honey balm. This is a bee essential honey balm beeswax lip balm. Love these. All right, then we've got our literature. Let's see what literature we have today. Any sort of scan codes, I'll be sure to put up here for you. This says scan me. It's for the, sorry, what is this one for? It's for the spices. You can scan that. This is 25% off of the, what is the 5? Number one, here's the scan code right here. Again, everything but the scan codes will be in my description box, you guys. So if you wanted to get the scan codes, you'll get them off the screen. This is for Zest. It just says you can get 20% off with code powder20 right there. This is for the tea. Enjoy $10 off. And then it also has a code on the bottom there if you guys want to screenshot that. So what is this about here? The gift that keeps on giving. Oh yeah, this is for the Bee Essential. I like this brand a lot. There's a code there for some money off. I think it says 15% off. And then we've got, this is for the coffee, the tree line coffee. There's no coupon, it's just literature about it. And then information about the Zolli candy here. I know I've read this all to you guys before. Look at all the different kinds they have. This is the Zolli. I mean, I actually went to their website. It's very interesting. It's candy that is good for your teeth. And then it says how Zolli candy works. I'll put that up if you guys wanted to screenshot that and read it. Or just go to their website. It's like very, very interesting because I was curious about this company. So it says tasty treats that battle back for your beautiful smile. And it says, adults agree it's time to kick out dry mouth. And it has, they also have taffy, Zaffy Taffy. That sounds good. I love taffy. But yes, it does contain xylitol, which I was trying to say earlier. Someone mentioned to me that xylitol is toxic for dogs. So make sure that you don't leave any of these Zolli candies sitting around your house, because if you have little dogs, it can be a very, very bad thing. All right, everyone, that was my daily goodie box for the month of February. I've really enjoyed everything in here. Looks like it's going to be fantastic. Can't wait to get into some of this stuff, and very curious about this. Coconut noodles. Never heard of such a thing. But anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much, and everyone have a great, great day.